Hi, how to upload videos to YouTube. Okay, so here I'm just trying to show you what is how to upload video, all those concepts, very basics. So here, in the sense, uh, how to upload videos to YouTube properly. So in the YouTube, to upload the videos, we have something called channels. Okay, everybody, please create your own channel with proper specific name, which targets to your purpose or your area of expertise. Okay, this is the first criteria. So then it links properly in all the level. Cool. So here right now my label is this at Namadu. Namadu in our language. Kannada, I'm from Kannada. Kannada language means ours. That's it. Okay. You create this properly. So as I was telling, we should have proper channel. Then for uploading YouTube videos, we will be uploading. YouTube, they have created a separate platform called YouTube Studio. If you open it in mobile to upload videos properly, you should have a YouTube Studio app. Okay. If you open YouTube, this comes like this, and then if you just click here, upload video, go live. If you have something very rare scenario, then click on go live, otherwise don't go for go live. It makes your personal get leaked out, all those things, so be cautious on this. Don't go unnecessarily if it is not exactly necessary. Leave that. So I'm just giving this, so you can see here the URL changes to studio.youtube.com. Okay, so here it just opens. We select the files to upload videos. I'm showing it in PC. It's similar in what I meant to say, mobile also. One second, let me choose the file. Yeah, this is the file. I just recorded a test video. Okay, it might take a couple of moment. Okay, just uploaded. Then the video title should be very much clear, as how to upload video in YouTube. This is my case, for example. If you have something else, then you mention that. And now, apart that is heading title. Apart from that, you can clearly see tell viewers about your video. Type at mention in a channel. For example, I am trying to make video about YouTube. Then I should link it properly as YouTube. If I am linking something about some kind of Android mobile, then I should link it as Android. Or if I'm supposed to link something about Virat Kohli, just in another tab or another browser place, just search their exact handle. This is called YouTube handle, Virat Kohli fan code, whatever it is. Okay, you upload that. Here, this is a video. It automatically chooses a thumbnail. But before that, instead of choosing like this, choose a proper thumbnail. Okay, if you have some thumbnail, for example, let me take up this or something. Uh, okay, let me take some simple. This is okay. This becomes my thumbnail. So whenever the user sees, you choose the content like it should be easily understandable by the users. For example, now my video is how to upload video, but this thumbnail is either wrong. It's not a right way. So that's why choose properly. And for every video, choose your proper playlist. I mean, don't add videos randomly like anything. Instead of that, make it a proper playlist category. So for that, here, what is this? .NET Web Developer, social awareness, technical aspects. I have created so many things. I have many other things. So here I will just use the social awareness and technical aspects. For example, your spelling is wrong. Sorry for that. I will update it very soon. And this video is set to made for kids. So whenever it is video is made for kids, it means it will not allow you to allow users to rate anything. Rate in the sense, add any comments. For that purpose, you should make it. It's not made for kids. Intentionally they made it like it's, if it is for kids, then comments will be blocked because the users are adding very bad contents. So that is the reason YouTube by default made this. In your case, if you have the same, if you are expecting the comments, then you should change this to it's not made for kids. And also you can restrict my video to viewers of over 18. For example, if you're making it with respect to kitchen or something, then you can make it for everybody. If you have something, you're showing something about sexual life or some different kind of adult life, then you should stick to this. Okay, otherwise you can leave this here. And then paid promotion, this is the way. the paid promotion, if somebody wanted to advertise in your video or something, then you should take this, then only somebody will contact you or any other advertisements or something, blah blah blah, all those things. Probably the celebrities who wanted money, they should enable this. If you accept anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. Here what they are mentioning is, if you are directly taking some money, for example, I'm getting money from some political party to make video, then I should reveal it here, but nobody reveals it. Why they are making it is, so it will be very prompt. I'm making video for some political party or some particular state, so then I'm making it, I'm owning it kind of. So it will be very they want it to be transparent, so if any issue comes, they will link it there. Okay, cool. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear. Okay, these are all the things. Why is something like, if you are making any bad or realistic or some different kind of scenarios, it might hurt some personality. Then this has to be enabled. Currently, I don't have anything. Automatic chapters. Yeah, whenever you have video, for example, chapters, it means, for example, you have an album of songs, 5 songs. In that 5 song, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you just add continuously, it will be keep playing. Instead of that, you can mark one after the other video as a one song. Then second song is a chapter. User can click on that links, then it goes further. I can show it quickly. Yeah, you can see here this particular video is not having any chapters. Okay, this makes video is full of it is having nearly 12 songs. So everything is, it plays one after the other. It's of no use. I'll just show you another video. So here in this video, you can see each has different. This is the introduction. You can see here intro and then features and then create Cosmos DB and then most replayed. These are chapters. So what is the use of this? So one moment, users can click on those chapters exactly where it's necessary, and even they can exactly go for it. Even whenever you are sharing the video, they can exactly specifically share that. You can see here the chapters is advantage this. We click create Cosmos DB data export, because if your video is of 1 hour, but not everybody expected to watch 1 hour video. Instead, they want some specific period of 10 seconds. For example, last step, how it appears. Then they can click on the chapter. So it saves their time and attraction, everything. Okay, that's about it. And then this is about chapters, concepts, tags. Okay, if you have some tag, for example, I'm making it with respect to kitchen or YouTube. So this tag helps for searching. This is the one which helps for others whenever they are searching YouTube. Kind of a nonsense plan, you should use the comma, so like that it makes, and which language you are making video. Okay, sorry about my computer, it is getting la, la, la. A B C D E E English India. Caption certification, if you have something, recording date, video location, those all are if you are necessary to add, because this makes YouTube to record and prioritize your video. I'm recording this from Karnataka, so I can add it. Karnataka's which place? Because based upon that location, it makes more value. So let me give Bhadravati, Karnataka, Bhadravati railway station, for example. Here, if I give this Bhadravati, Maharashtra, it thinks in a different manner, like a Hindi guy. But if I give this, it treats me as I'm a Kannadiga guy. Kannadiga guy is talking in English. That's what it decides. Allow video and audio remixing. If somebody wanted to copy this, and category, what type of it is? Music, how to and style. I'll just choose a category. This category helps for whoever the users are looking. Probably when you open your YouTube for first time, it will YouTube or any other things, it just identifies what type of category you're looking. Okay, comments moderation. So if somebody is adding any illegal content, then this makes this basic, it tries to secure. If somebody is adding some bad content, it automatically filters. If I click on this hold on all comments, it means if anybody adds comment, it will be added but it will not display. Okay, none means it display everything. Basic means I hide very few. Okay, sort by top criteria and then blah blah blah. Okay, video subtitles. Yeah, this is very much, if you talk in some regional language, if you are wanted to add some subtitles, because Google or something, it can't be able to track all the local regional languages, even though technology is so much improved, but still it is not enough. So the solution is, you have to add your subtitle manually by through some different apps, some different conditions. Otherwise, if you add it in, it translates, but it's not up to the mark. That's the case. Okay, add cards if you have something, promotion cards or something like that. So yeah, this is the uh, checks. So all that here, no issues found. If any issue, if any copyright issue or something, it tries to identify at this moment itself. Usually it won't take this much. Slow, I'm just for testing purpose, I'm explaining, I just made slow. Okay, here say you are published. If you wanted to upload some video, then you make it private, so it will be hidden from all other world, all over the world, except your email id. Even if you log in with different email id, you can't be able to see. That's about you. Only you want people you choose. Yeah, I mean, if you share with somebody, then it appears. Okay, then public. Okay, this public means everyone can watch. This set as instant premiere. This is for the sake of, you can see, when you set your video as instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. This premiere means you're setting it, and then you will set up like evening 5 o'clock, I wanted to watch with my whole team, my company, or kind of a launch video. Then kind of different that scenarios. And then schedule. Select a date marker to when you wanted to make this as public. I mean, not today. For example, you're making it. You might see in the movie, I made a video. If I don't go back to home, then that video will be public. How is that? Is this only, nothing else? Okay. So it's kind of, for example, if I don't come back, I made some personal video of some political party or some political or some any bad person. If I'm going to their home, then I can just record whole story and then I can add it here. Tomorrow, if I come back, then I can just unblock it. Otherwise, it will be automatically public. That's it. So funny and realistic. Yeah. Okay. I'm scheduling it. Okay. This is about schedule, but not necessarily everybody need it. One moment. If you make this, okay. Okay, select. Okay, see now here it is. Schedule is the means whenever I'm choosing the date, it goes for schedule. Otherwise, it's just a publish. Okay, here you can see. Okay, it is already uploaded, but it takes some time to complete. Copy video link. I've chosen. So this is YouTube. What do you call studio? Here, whenever you upload some video, it takes some time to validate all those things. My video is just a 9 seconds video. That's why it is quick. Otherwise, if it is hours of video, you can take, see here, 25 seconds, some 10 minutes kind of things. You can see this video, it has shown as copyright. This video is shown as copyright, and this is partially blocked in some country. It's due to some reason. It's not only like illegal content. It's due to the reason like I have copied from someone else. Okay, this is how you upload videos. For example, if you upload a video, by default it's not supposed to be public. Then go here and just make it private. That's it, job done. Okay, cool. Use the social platform for good cause. Don't mislead or misuse. Cool. Keep uploading, keep spreading the smile.